What's up, guys? Eliza here from ElizaCabrera.com, and I'm super excited to bring to y'all today this super quick video that's going to show you this program that is paying $40 per referral. Yes, guys, $40 per referral. It is super easy. I'm gonna go ahead and go to my computer, show you guys how you can sign up and get you started today so we could get paid. Okay, so this is a website right here, guys. Jungle Paradise Freebies. So all you have to do is you're going to come on this website and they have various offers, right? The reason why these people are giving you a $40 referral is because they want people to come in here and obviously do their offers, right? These are companies that are paying to get their company in front of people, right? So you guys can look at this, right? I'm not going to go through all of them. If you do decide to sign up with me, I will definitely you can hit me up and we could talk about it. But basically, as you can see, there's many different offers here. There's a lot of, some of them are free, some of them are not. Some of them you may be interested in, right? Me personally, I did this one right here, the aspirations one, because it automatically gives you the credit. So I went ahead and did that. In order for you to be get the $40 referral, you do have to do a offer, right? And you have to get at least one credit worth, guys. So this is it, right? This is pretty much it. Once you go to my link, it's going to ask you to create an account, guys. And after you create an account, here's what I want to tell you. I am personally going to give you this free course given to me by my coach, guys, my six-figure coach. She's a multiple six-figure coach, and she's giving away her free Facebook course, right? Because here's the thing. What do I mean by that? A lot of people get into these programs and they don't know how to promote it. And she gives away this step-by-step on how to set up your Facebook, guys. There's going to be videos training on how to do Facebook Lives on there's some Instagram training in there, and there's even some Twitter training in there. So it's pretty much a social media training to help out anybody who is afraid to get into the referral program because they're not gonna know how to promote it. Don't worry, I got you covered, guys. So if you're interested in that, go ahead and click on my link. You're gonna see it right in the description. If you got any questions, send me a text. I also have that down there, and I will see you guys in the next video. Let's get this internet money, baby. My shirt says it all, guys. Busy making money online. Bye.